this is Group B, Ruben and Qingying's website about the paella. And on our homepage, and that's our logo on the left top, and we designed by the AI. And the next one is like the whole nav bar is from the boot. We designed from the Bootstrap, and we also have next to the logo. We also have the title. Is the other font, except compared to the other font. So we have 2 Google fonts in the whole on our whole website. So this is our homepage. Ruben, you think you're gonna introduce your homepage?
Sure. First of all, I would like to add that we design a basic mockup in Figma that give us, foundational idea of mainly the colors and how the elements would be displayed on the page. Then we did some changes when the project starts to grow, but many of the things that it can be seen now in this Figma design were foundational for us to end up with the web page. Here you can see the mood board, that is some pages that inspired us to create a better version. And basically on the homepage we can see a menu, a main image that is descriptive about what page does. We're a restaurant paella, so paella is a good image. We included H1 and some basic text thinking on SEO practices, including the keyword and the proper element tags, as well as making all the pages semantic in HTML. We included some facts with Bootstrap that adds a hint of interaction in the page, and some video, and finally you can see the footer and some interaction. So if you click here in this link, it opens like guess the number game, so you can add different numbers, and if the number is the same, it will give the user a coupon. If not, it will say him or her if they can try again. So if we press 2, it says no, nothing, no luck yet. But if finally the number is the same that the random number generated by the machine, it says congrats and gives coupon. So Qingying, would you like to continue introducing locations?
No problem. The location, I would say, when you first jump in our location and you just mouse on the first picture of Cork, then there is a JavaScript jump out like welcome to Valencia. Especially in this page, we use a lot of Bootstrap, especially the Bootstrap to define the picture, to define the location to full section. And we also try to respond. We also use that to respond to the small on the phone. So when you just use on your phone, you can see 4 pictures. When you scroll down, you will see like 4 of the picture. Yeah, very nice. Yeah. So you won't see like 4 different defined picture. Okay, then going to our menu, and our menu is like we just only designed the 4 menu, and I put a JavaScript of the div, so it's like selective. So because I try to more like interactive to the visitor. So when we click on it, that's our first menu, seafood paella. So it's gonna jump to the seafood paella. And if we click on the vegan paella, so it's gonna jump to the vegan paella. So chicken paella, yeah, and yeah. So that's our 4 of the menu. Yeah. So it's kind of like we have more interactive to the customer, to the visitor, so they might think it's more interesting and they will look at our menu more. So that's the last section, feedback.
Yeah, the last section, feedback. It includes a contact list so the users can add what they think about the experience in the restaurant. You can add different field names. If you just send a message, you will have like HTML alert, and so you need to fill the fields and adding some options. Here's when we send the message and it appears second validation in JavaScript. In the case of the name, says that it has to be at least 4 letters, and the telephone says that it has to be at least 9 digits. And when everything is submitted correctly, the user gets like an alert message that displays the exactly same name that is that the user puts into the name field, and that is like a message just to say that everything was correct. The page was designed as well thinking in responsive, so it can adapt well. It's true that to really smaller devices the form keeps aligned to the left, but in general terms it's a responsive page as well. All of the links are working as expected, as well as the logo conducts to the home page. And then I would like to add small comments about the code itself. So in the Visual Studio Code, we add some comments explaining how the code is. We add a folder structure, a general CCS page, also commented properly, so it can be, for example, general styles are all here, navigational menu, so that way we can find also very easy the different styles added. And yeah, finally we add some basic code in the head of the pages, adding different comments, for example the bootstrap connection, meta description thinking SEO, where is the CCS link. This way code is not also nice on the browser, but also nice for possible future developers of the web page. Do you want to add something, Gino?
I think that's great, and yeah, I think that's our presentation for our project of the Mr. Paila. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.